This is the birdhouse we made. We made a while ago. Now it's the end of the season. We're gonna try to take it down and clean it out. I don't want to drop this because it is very pretty. Got it. First step is to take these nails out. Oops. Take these nails out so we can open it. Now we're gonna open it up. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's some serious dedication.
Look at that birdhouse they made this summer.
Wow. I guess they definitely built it up. Just look at that. Well, I think we've got some firewood in there. What is that, hairballs? Well, there's a bird feather, or whatever that is. Don't want to know.